This forage wagon got that special something for highest throughputs and best forage quality, for harvesting grass and serving the forage harvester. Meet the dual-purpose Krone ZX. The Krone ZX range of forage wagons lines up 3 models that deliver capacities of 43, 47 and 56 cubic meters, measured to DIN. They come either with or without discharge rollers at the rear. Thanks to the revolutionary driveline, the machine achieves unparalleled throughputs and makes the ZX the world's most powerful forage wagon. Up front, the 2.12 meter wide pickup collects the grass without leaving a single blade behind. The camless design ensures quiet running and minimizes wear. The pickup tines are arranged in a W pattern for a uniform crop flow into the machine. The tines on the sides of the pickup feed the material to the middle. This is a substantial boon in curved lines or on slopes. The tines in the middle of the pickup pull the material apart, so a wide and uniform mat is supplied to the rotor cutter for higher throughputs and enhanced cutting quality. The speed of the hydraulic pickup is altered manually or automatically relative to the current forward speed. Operators can alter the ground pressure electro-hydraulically on the move. When you raise the pickup on the headland, the automatic system raises the articulated drawbar hydraulically to a preset height to increase the ground clearance. When the pickup is lowered back into work, the drawbar resumes its previous position, which is also set to the system. The huge cut and feed rotor is driven by a 6-groove composite belt. The main drive shaft has a powerful clutch that protects it from overloads of up to 2,800 nanometers. This means the shaft can transfer up to 400 horsepower, a unique design that can cope with even the most powerful tractors. The rotor length was extended courtesy of a very compact power belt drive and an inboard planetary drive that leaves more space for a wider rotor and hence higher throughputs. Wide hardox plates on the feed tines pull the material through the blades, which make down to 37mm cuts. Servicing the blades is easy and convenient. Simply pull out the entire bank and swing it alongside the machine. In this position, you have clear access to all blades. A central blade group control system allows you to select all 48 blades or every second blade or no blade at all, simply by operating a central control. Should there be a hiccup, you can remove the blockage by retracting the blade cassette from the feed channel. This is done hydraulically from the cab. Grinding the blades takes less than 4 minutes, provided you opted for the Speed Sharp system. The flat discs give a cold grind that prevents the blades from annealing, for a consistently high quality of cut-through long working days. The crop flows into the machine up the sloping floor, an energy-saving design. The chain and slat floor is controlled and automatically ensuring a consistent fill to capacity. The pivoting headboard increases the machine's volume and yet maintains its compact design. It pivots to one of 3 positions, each serving a different purpose. During the loading cycle, the headboard is in its middle position. As soon as the machine is filled to capacity, it pivots towards the tractor to free up even more capacity. This puts also more weight on the drawbar and improves traction and stability. When the machine is on the clamp, the headboard pivots to the rear to support unloading. This is a strong point of the chain and slat floor. 4 chains with flat links are powered by 2 drives to carry the heaviest load to the rear and out of the machine. Provided the load is not all too high, the 2 chain drives switch automatically into the fast mode. The articulated drawbar brings the wagon to a generous ground clearance, so running on the clamp is no problem at all. Lights inside the machine make for best visibility at night. This is a standard specification. The ZX GD model has 3 discharge rollers that unload the material as a uniform mat. The driveline is overload protected by the clutch in the main PTO shaft. So a maximum of torque is delivered to the rear rollers for a maximum of unloading efficiency. The ZX was designed as a dual-purpose machine for added productivity. When the machine is serving the forage harvester, its headboard is in the forward position for maximum intake and filling the opening as the wagon is following the forager or running alongside it. The gross weight of the ZX is 34 tons. Attachment to the tractor is via a ball hitch. This is the standard configuration. Tandem or tridem axles with wide flotation tyres distribute the weight of the machine in the field and ensure good ride stability on the road. Each ZX can also take 30.5-inch tyres. The mechanical or optionally, the electric force steering system ensures soft treading on the turf and reduces tyre wear. The hydraulic levelling system gives ZX a stable ride and a maximum of operator comfort. All machine features are operated through the ISOBus. This can be from the CCI 1200 or CCI 800 terminal or the DS terminal from Krone or from the existing ISOBus terminal on the tractor. Optional crop covers ensure no crop is lost on the way to the clamp. And the weighing system keeps track of the wagon load at an accuracy down to 2.5%. Optional LED work lights turn night into day, illuminating the machine's surroundings. Whether hauling maize or loading grass from the ground, the Krone ZX ticks all the boxes. Its humongous belly, huge appetite, superior quality of cut, and abundance of options make it the king of forage wagons.